Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. It's such an honor and pleasure to be here tonight. Anas already mentioned this is our first time in Hyderabad. I don't need any excuses to come to Hyderabad. You can ask my team. I love the food. I mean, when I land in Hyderabad from the airport, my first request to the team is to go to an Andhra restaurant and enjoy the food. Of course, the team's very tired because they get to eat this every day, and I don't. I love the food. I love the movies. I love technology. I love construction. So really, I mean, then Anna suggested doing this in Hyderabad. We just jumped at the opportunity, and I'm so glad we did that. We've been in Hyderabad for last 3 days, meeting a lot of developers, and the growth that is expected and that's happening in this part of the country is amazing. It's one of our largest markets for our business in India, and it is very, very. It's a moment of great pride for me to be standing here before the taste makers, the dynamic. Leaders who are shaping the skyline of a country. Before I talk a little bit about Groha and Hurin partnership, I want to share a very heartwarming story that someone just shared with me in the pre-function area. Mr. Sunil Chandra Reddy, he's somewhere in the crowd here today, and he shared a story with me. His parents constructed a house, and in 1989, they installed Groha bath fittings in that house. In 1989, ladies and gentlemen, and they're just working absolutely seamlessly, perfectly fine. So I don't need to sell Groha as a brand to all of you. You're the pioneers of the industry. You know how important technology and sustainability is, and Groha stands for all of that: quality, design, technology, and German engineering. So proud to one work for this brand and also partner with all of you. Tonight, it's particularly special as we celebrate almost a decade of our partnership with Hurun. The reason, there are many such properties and awards, but I think I can proudly say that Hurun is probably the only non-paid research-based award in the company. I mean, I get 5 emails every day from various publishing houses say, buying awards for best places to work and industry leaders and marketing, best brands, etc. But the reason we've partnered with Hurun is because this is absolutely transparent and integrity is very, very important when it comes to recognizing the leaders. Over the last 9 years with Hurun, we've seen this collaboration, which has grown from just a single list into a comprehensive platform that celebrates and documents the evolution of Indian real estate. Looking ahead, we imagine an even better future with a deeper integration, focusing a lot on sustainability, tech driven innovation, and the rising global standards that we're already witnessing very strongly in our country and especially in the south of India. From my perspective at Groha, we're more than just a brand. We're partners with you in this vision. Like I just said, we are built to last 1989, 2026, still going strong. So we are a brand that you can fit and forget, close your eyes and trust us. We have the dedication that it takes to build and transform a blueprint into a landmark, and we take immense pride in being a part of that journey. Tonight, we're celebrating many of you who are again shaping the future of our country, the modern infrastructure of this country, and alongside all the great minds in this room and beyond. Thank you for your trust. Thank you for your partnership and for the work that you do to build our new India. I hope you have a wonderful evening, and I look forward to talking to all of you tonight. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Miss Priya there, ladies and gentlemen.
I also wanted to announce that in the next 6 months, we'll come up with a beautiful new experience center for Groha and American Standard brands in Hyderabad, which announcing and inviting you all today to come and witness our world-class products. Thank you so much.